Welcome back to channel of many bikes but not that much sense. Today we take out Chicken Joe here for his first ride, and let me tell you, it's faster than woke media cancelling comedians. How about that? First off, let's address the elephant into the engine bay. I have changed the engine off camera because I was just tired and pissed off from working on this bike. So the engine is here, but there's still a bunch of work to be done. While disassembling the bike, I messed up the rear brake caliper, and thank God I freaking did, because while doing that I also noticed the rear brake disc, and that had more cracks than Hunter Biden. Surely it would have eventually disintegrated and I would have a quick meet and greet with an asphalt and hospital. So being the dumbass that I am, was super locked on and I pounded a little bit with a hammer, and I bent this bad boy here. I am dumb. Lucky, I bought a new one. Also, speaking of cracks, both tires need to be changed eventually because the air in them is holding on for its dear life. Also, all of the plastics except the tank, it's cracked, it's ugly and needs redoing. And most importantly guys, this thing needs an exhaust. Because with the original exhaust, this sounds like a 625cc scooter. And it's like a Doberman with Chihuahua's voice. It's incredible. You expect it to be but it's So this bike needs its voice back, so I'm back on the marketplace scouting for a cheap find. As you already know guys, cheap is the thing that I do. So the power plant works excellent. However, this bike still has a bunch of gremlins. Wiring of this is just a crunchy, it looks piece of mess. It scares me. Dash doesn't work because of the wiring obviously. I only have high beam, I don't have any other lights except the blinkers. There's no rear light, no rear blinkers. There's no number plate holder, I just made it on myself. So that also needs work. When I messed up the rear brake, I had to take it off and I had to look at the rear disc. It has so many cracks, it doesn't even fit in the methadone clinic. Jesus Christ. So I ended up needing to swap it out. But because this bike has the most random wheels ever, I cannot find what exact wheels are those. So I do not know what this brake disc is. So what I needed to do is I went to scrapyard and I sourced the next one that's somewhat similar and that has space for 3 bolts. I know, not super safe, but you already know where you're at. Let's fit these on and let's fit the brakes on as well. It's far from finished, but it's finally time to take it out for a first spin and seeing how much trouble we can get. you have it, guys. Chicken jaw is pretty fun. We come to a castle where the chicken jaw belongs. And thanks for watching. I hope you like what you saw. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Stay tough, motherfuckers.